In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to install an application from your PC. So just you have to watch and follow this video till the end. First you have to click on Windows and you have to search for application like this, and you're gonna find this option apps and features. Click on it like this, and when you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. Here you will find all the application that is downloading on your device or your PC. For example, you would choose one that you want to install it. Just click on it and click install and click install like this. And then you will wait a second and it's going to install, guys. So here how you can do this. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you next video.